Hi, I'm Yasmine. I'm one of the laser and skin specialists here in Havana, Dundrum, and in this video we're going to speak about how more effective our image products are while using the Dermaplump. So in this video we're going to explain or talk about how this device here is going to make this product here 100 times more effective. So by using the Dermaplump, it opens up your pores and it makes little microchannels underneath the skin, but it also gets rid of our dead skin cells. We want our pores open while using this device because we want the products that we're using, as I recommend the hyaluronic, to go underneath the skin to make the little bit of microchannels so we can get to the concerns that we may have. We also want the Dermaplump to get rid of all of our dead skin cells because we do invest a lot of money into our skin, and if we have dead skin cells on the surface, our products isn't going underneath the skin to get to the root of our problem. So we need to use this device to get rid of all your dead skin cells so that it won't act as a blockage, and then all of our products that we want to use is going to go deep underneath the skin. We want our pores to be open while using this device because we want our products like hyaluronic to go underneath our skin to get to the root of our problem. We also want to get rid of the dead skin cells completely off the surface of our skin. The reason why we want to do that is if we have dead skin cells packed up onto the surface of our skin, our products aren't going down deep enough to get to the root of our problem. So by using this device, we're going to get rid of all your dead skin cells. The product is going to travel down that little bit deeper, so all the products that we're investing money in isn't just going to sit on the surface of your skin. We're going to be pushing them right down to get to our main concern. And always a good tip with the Dermaplump is my favorite, is it also triggers our collagen, and also waking up our collagen and our elastin is always a good thing for aging, alongside hyaluronic, because it helps plump up our skin as well. I would recommend to use it once to twice a week and then build your skin up to it. So you can use it 4 to 5 times a week, but please don't jump in and do that at the start. So we want to get our skin used to using the Dermaplump, so it's really important not to jump in and use it every single night. So build your skin up towards that point. So if you use it maybe once, twice a week, and then so on for the following week. Did you know there's 2 types of products? You have your cosmetic product and also your cosmeceutical products. Your cosmetic products sit on the surface of your skin, and then your cosmeceutical products go underneath the skin. But they only go underneath the skin if our dead skin cells are completely removed. So if we ignore our dead skin cells, continue investing money into the correct products for our skin, 30 to 40% of the product in the bottle is actually going to waste. So get rid of all your dead skin cells, get rid of all your cosmeceutical products, and start with something that is going to do something for your skin. So while using your Dermaplump, I would recommend, image product wise, either the lightening serum or the hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is going to help with aging, plump up the skin, give it that burst of hydration, while the lightening serum is more for uneven skin tones. It contains Collagen, it's going to go deep underneath the skin, suppress your melanocytes, and give us that little bit more of a glow towards our skin, and obviously to make sure that our cells are completely fine underneath. So these will be the products that you can use after your treatment as well from the Dermaplump, but I'll also recommend the post-recovery kit from Image. You can use all of these products after to help recovery from the Dermaplump. Now there is an enzyme mask inside. It is important that you avoid using that for 5 days because it's quite active and it is going to eat away at all our dead skin cells also, but it is a little bit strong to use it directly after the needling. The main product that I would recommend is your SPF, so don't forget that. It also comes in tinted, which is my personal favorite. So this will cover any redness that may appear after the Dermaplump. Redness is always good, so don't worry. Also, you can apply every single day. It can be the tinted, hydrating, or matte. It really depends on your skin type. I would definitely recommend you to book in with a skin specialist for a skin consultation, because with Image products they are selected of what you can and can't use prior treatment and post treatment. Retinols is completely a no-no, a few days before and a few days after. So I would recommend to please book in with a skin specialist to get the best information possible for the skin and get you where you want to be with your skin as well. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Please see the link below in the description where you can actually purchase your very own Dermaplump. Plus, as I said, I am in Dundrum Clinic, so pop in, say hi, and ask me as many questions as you want, and I can also even show you exactly how to use it to get the full benefit. Thanks so much for watching the video again. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!